Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. I'm excited to show you my newest listing right here at 203 Stillwater Court in the sought-after Five Forks area of Simpsonville. This home has 3 bedrooms with a huge bonus room that could be a 4th bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms, open floor plan with the gas log fireplace in the living room, gorgeous laminate floors throughout the main level, huge owner's suite with a walk-in closet, separate shower, garden tub, and double sinks. The fenced backyard out back as well. It's pretty private in the backyard. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. Upstairs, you have 3 bedrooms with a huge bonus room that could be a 4th bedroom, large owner's suite with an ensuite bathroom that has double sinks, separate shower, and a garden tub. There's a walk-in closet as well. Let's go check it out. Outside, you have a large fenced backyard with trees in the back for shade and privacy. Let's check it out. Beautiful, isn't it? Well, if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, give me a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-525-0201, or visit our website at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.